So what I recommend to clean with, you have to have a Q-tip and this primer cleaner. Those are usually used for the plumbing or for the pipes to glue them. It's basically acetone based thing. Ooh, it stinks. But if you have like a clear acetone, that's even better. So it's not going to be messy. So get a little bit on your deal and try to make sure it's not running. So make sure it's dry, no loose, nothing loose. Wipe your fingers with something, and then try to clean. Try it doesn't get in the oven, because otherwise it's gonna get colored. So as you can see, it's disintegrate little by little. Like I say, if you have acetone, it's even better. You can also try this stuff like, oops. It's good stuff as well. I actually just found it. It's actually even better. Okay. Because the oops actually will going to eat this rubber. Okay, it's pretty clean now. So what do we have? We have this mastic with a double tape on it. One side it peels off. You got a mastic on this side. Then you probably pull this plastic out when you get your deal apply. Let's see what we have. Make sure it's properly applied. It will be really hard to put on it since we have this really thin edge on it. You know, and let's say if we're removing the first lay right here, we gotta apply this deal onto our screen side because that's the way it's made. And the screen has 2 holes on it, and this wider part has 2 holes as well. So you can't really apply anywhere here. You gotta work around like this, and I don't think so you can do that unless you will be able to pull the plastic off first, which is I doubt it, because plastic doesn't want to come off. Yeah. Well, I guess I can. It's the first time I'm doing it. Let's see if I apply on this deal. Because here's what we have. We might gonna have a problem if you apply on the screen. It will be hard to get around these sticky edges. You know what I'm saying? The screen is square. No, it won't work. Let's see why. Because this cut right here, it's straight. And what we have on this side, we have this thing right here. It's right on your way. I don't know why they did not pre-cut this deal right here. I gotta take a pictures of that, asking me questions. But anyway, if everything's worked well, I'm going to I will going to tell you everything is work. All right. Well, since we do have a problem applying this on this screen right here, and we will going to have a problem, I can explain you why. If I peel this orange part first, okay, I can go all the way around, like, let's say like this, but it will be hard for me to trigger that piece inside behind the screen. And also on this side, I will going to lay right on top of the board, because it's not pre-cutted. I would rather probably cut the thing myself, but I can't. So we'll leave them. If we apply mastic on this side, then we're alright till we're going to place these things back. So, like I said, make sure everything is clean. I get a little piece right here. Double check if it's nothing can mess up your work. Because one-time job you're doing once. So yeah, I would probably put over here first. For those who've done this first time, I would do this way. What I suggest to everyone, again, make sure the thing is clean. Even all the time we spend on it to clean it, I think I still need to clean a little bit more with the Q-tips. Much better with the new Q-tip. Okay, most of this mastic is gone now. Alright, let's apply this tape. Peel this pink part off, or what I'm saying, the blue part. Gosh, if these things get messy, you're gonna get messed up everything. So make sure you kind of work your way around. Слышу. So make sure your tapes go all the way to the edges. Gently push around. You can push it with the same Q-tip you was using, just with the dry part of it. Make sure you get all tied down with this Q-tip. Get it all sealed. Now we're going to remove this adhesive part. So it looks pretty firm. I don't see any errors. So we gotta be careful. We don't want the thing to stick anywhere. So first thing first, pull this cable a little bit off the way and stick that little cable into this little hole. Next thing, move the plug next to our connector. You can use your fingers, or you can use a small screwdriver to pop things back. I usually done this with the fingers, so I want to make sure I get. Actually, I never have a problem putting these things back in. Well, let's do this way. Here's another way. You plug this thing first. You go like this. And so plugged. Close it back and pry cable back to the little hole. Make sure this cable come over. You can even plug the cable back so it won't sneak it back. Okay? Next thing, apply your screen as level as you can. Very important. Very be careful. Make sure you're right in the middle. You are right in the middle. I would probably even water test it, but enough test for me. Okay, get it all sealed. I couldn't find a poppy thing. It fell off somewhere. Okay, let's check this thing right here. Put the battery back, and we're gonna use our gold cover. Just have to find it. There we go. Making sure it's popped inside. This is very important. As you can see, it's still popping. That's where your water can get leak. Okay, I'm going to turn this thing on right now. After water damage, I have this error. These green lights always on indicate that I'm charging, which is I'm not. T-Mobile, thank you for your service. For your service too. Alright, it's all working, folks. Thanks for watching my video. It looks pretty cool. It looks pretty sealed. It was flimsy. Now it's excellent. And there's nice gaps. Perfect gap. I think I did perfect. Good job. Well, we need to place this phone into our some sort of a case, I'm assuming. So it's protected for future damage. Well, in this case, I'm gonna use something else. And I'll probably find them upstairs. Anyway, that's basically how you get your phone sealed using this sealer, and I'll show you the sealer in my description. That's leftover junk. So make sure you have a Q-tips, everything what you need. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Subscribe right here, or click on this link to watch original water damage video. Thanks.